Who are you? My name is Desiree, spelled like desire. Pronounced desperate here, right? I was sitting here to tell you that you are about to make the basic thing in your life. What kind of name is Desiree? What are you talking about? You're about to throw your life away. All the things that you do impact everyone around you. What are you talking about? My action don't impact anyone around me. What I do is my own business. Not true. Everything you do impacts everyone around you, especially your love. Let me show you your desire that impacts everyone. Whoa! You can do this in my room?
外面
好，
都是谁呢？
你这里叫并同事啊？
啊？你们是不是？早上还有讲书呢。孩子多讲话，你们把报纸出来讲了。哎，你们最后这么点，搞不好的。哎，你们脸着，你们往这上讲，头高要跟城里特生，多少？老别放，什么有啊？什么那个我，放什么东西？他告诉到小的中国人，其他还有个中更高的。假如你把高铁图个修完，叫你关机了。好了吗？你再背一个哦。
Oh my God, I did. Your grandparents did everything so that parents would have a better life. Your parents did everything to you and your sister did to you have a better life. You threw away all their hopes and dreams. You decided not to do that. But how can we not go to college hurt though? What do you mean? Like, why does it matter? Let me show you something. Okay, let's see if there are. Well, can't help you there.